Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh.别打着讲了。干嘛把桨磨花了？
Aftermath of the crash. Canopy had a couple of strikes from the blades, but it's all okay. Didn't even, don't even feel that it was crashed. There's a little bump right here. Apart from that, nothing. The canopy didn't break. Blades are gone. I don't know when they broke actually, but blades are gone. After that, as I suspected, the servo horns are broken, which is a very good thing because plastic servo horns will break and save the servos from breaking. Two servo horns are broken, and one servo, the rear one, is still okay. Swash plate is fine, all the other parts are fine, and when I spin the main blade, I don't feel that the main shaft actually bent, but we will find out after I replace the servo horns, put everything back, and spin the head, replace the propellers, replace the main blades, and I will spin the main head and see if the main shaft is bent or not. So far, by the eye, it does not look like it's bent. and also does not look like the feathering shaft is bent. This is amazing. I mean, that was really 100% throttle at that moment, and the way it crashed, I don't know what happened. It was my fault. I went too close to the ground and hit the blade first, and after that it just spun in, and I believe something broke here, and the blades went crazy, hit the canopy and broke. I was expecting much more damage, but look at that. I mean, nothing else has damaged. And that was, I'm talking about a concrete hit. Really nice and solid. So I want to save my, feathering bar for the day. When it gets to that point where I really need to replace it.